What was the highest number of floppy disks ever used for a product? Something I got to thinking of while sorting out a pile of driver floppies for WinPause, XP and AMP, 2003. Of all the software products ever released, what came on the highest number of floppy disks? Windows 95 used 13, but I doubt that was the upper limit as things moved towards dual release on floppy and CD before becoming CD only.
I don't know if it was publicly released, but I remember that when I was with one customer who had a very old, but powerful, machine and were licensed customers of Microsoft, they requested XP on disk and it was delivered on around 250 plus floppies.
MS Office 97 Professional came on 55 floppies, 97 Standard came on 45.
OS/2 Warp v3 was 25, 39 if you include the bonus pack, and I know because I just dusted it off and counted smile. Now can I find a working floppy drive?
Slackware Linux came on 33 disks.